Okay, friends, so I decided that since I had a few of you that were struggling to make a video just to go over a few of the problems from your scavenger hunt, this is the first three. So as we're getting started with these, I want you to think about the 4 steps that we've learned. There's really, the first thing that you do is you solve what you can. Step 2 is you ask yourself, what is the variable? Step 3, what's happening to the variable? Is it being added, subtracted, multiplied, or divided? And step 4 is you do the opposite to both sides. Okay? Opposite of what's happening. So remember, if it's being added, you would subtract. If it's being subtracted, you add. All right? So let's look at these. The first one, we've got a plus 10 equals 12 times 2. Well, I can't do anything with a plus 10 because it's a variable, but I can do 12 times 2 is 24. Then I ask myself, step 2, what is the variable? A. What's happening to the variable? It's being added 10. What's the opposite of add 10? That's subtract 10. So 24 minus 10 equals what? 14. A equals 14. And then you can pop it in to your original equation to make sure that you got it correct. So this should be an equal sign. All right, so 24 does equal 24. So that's how I know that I got that one correct. Now let's move on to B. Solve what you can. I can't do B minus 4, but I can do 30 divided by 5 equals 6. So then I ask myself, what is the variable? B. What's happening to the variable? Oh, well, I know that. That's minus 4. I do the opposite of subtract 4, which is add 4 to both sides. To both sides of that equal sign. And then I'm going to end up with B equals 10. All right, 6 plus 4 equals 10, and I can check it. 10 minus 4 equals 30 divided by 5, and 6 does equal 6. All right, let's do the last one that I'm going to do with you. What I solve what I can. C plus 44 equals, oh, this is supposed to be 6 times 8. I've written this down wrong, y'all. All right, equals 48, right? And then I ask myself, what is the variable? The variable is C. What's happening to it? It's being added 44. I do the opposite to both sides by subtracting 44 from both sides. 44 minus 44 is 0, so that's why I just end up with the C. And 48 minus 44 is 4. And then, of course, I could pop it back in and make sure that I did it correct. 4 plus 44 equals 6 times 8. 48 does equal 48. Now remember, y'all, when you're doing this, you're trying to get a variable on a side by itself, so that A equals 14, B equals 10, C equals 4. Should be somewhere on your paper so that I can see that. That's your answer. Everything down here and below is checking. So I need this part. That was a really bad circle. I'm going to try that again. I need this part. All right, so this is your answer. That's what I'm looking for. All right? All right, try the rest of these. If you're still confused, then we can talk about it more tomorrow. Thanks, friends.